హైకోర్టు చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ అనూప్ కుమార్ గోస్వామికి వీడ్కోలు పలికారు. ఛత్తీస్గఢ్ హైకోర్టు సీజేగా జస్టిస్ అనూప్ కుమార్ గోస్వామి బదిలీపై వెళ్తున్నారు. లీగల్ ప్రొఫెషన్ చాలా క్లిష్టమైందని, యువ న్యాయవాదులు సామాజిక న్యాయం పట్ల స్పృహ కలిగి ఉండాలని ఆయన సూచించారు.
That you get to say a few things close to your heart about a sitting judge of the court, the Chief Justice of the court, especially knowing him to be a private person, a stickler to the highest protocols of judicial office, a stickler. Did I go home after that loss? That was not my first loss. That wouldn't be my last. But that was the day I went home thinking that I have been heard. And when I read the judgment, every nuance, every contention, every pleading stood dealt with. What else does a practicing lawyer expect from a dispensation of justice? A justice that is dispensed and not dispensed with. Great men discuss ideas. A few of us discuss men. Khalil Gibran, my favorite, had once written, "To belittle someone, silencing the raised tone or tenor in the court, with your lordships not descending into the arena, as Lord Denning would point out, your lordships stayed away, stayed aloof from the debate, but controlled it without your lordships ever having to raise your voice, and the bar complied. The bar, the best of them, the bar, the most senior of them, just waited at a nod. We have not had many occasions to interact with your lordships because of COVID and also the strict iron curtain that your lordships had around yourselves. I wish your lordships all the very best. Madam Goswami, all the very best. And when you move on to Chhattisgarh, please allow us some space in your heart so that when we call you for some guidance unconnected to work and perhaps most to do with life, we will have a hello in acquaintance, in recalling of the times that we experienced, but words may fail.
One more reflection, particularly for the younger members of the bar, before I conclude. In the context of deep-rooted poverty and the many ills that beset the country, it is unrealistic to assume that all our citizens are aware of their rights and that they are in a position to vindicate their rights. Ground realities are pointed to the fact that a large segment of the population who are oppressed, but they are not even aware of their rights that they possess. Want of, I hope and believe that the members of the bar and the bench, with support of all other constituents, would lead this institution to greater heights in the days to come. I thank my distinguished colleagues